Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with traditional flossing or found it tedious and messy, I totally get it. Today, we're checking out a game changer for oral care. The Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser, white WP-660, bundled with a hygienic tip storage case and 6 replacement flossing tips. And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an honest review that helps you make smarter beauty and wellness choices. So let's break down what makes this flosser stand out. The Aquarius is designed to make water flossing easy and effective. It features 10 adjustable pressure settings, so you can customize the intensity to your gums and teeth. There's also a massage mode that stimulates your gums and a built-in timer with pacer that pauses at 30 seconds and 1 minute, making sure every quadrant of your mouth gets equal attention. The flosser comes with a large, 22-ounce removable reservoir, giving you over 90 seconds of flossing time without refills. The flossing wand is compact and maneuverable, so even your back teeth are easily reachable. And there's a convenient on-off switch right on the wand. The bundle includes 6 genuine Waterpik replacement tips, stored in a sturdy, hygienic case. You get 2 precision, classic jet tips, 2 orthodontic tips, and 2 plaque seeker tips. So it's perfect for multiple family members or for switching up your flossing routine depending on your oral care needs. Waterpik's Precision Pulse technology combines water pressure with pulsations, removing up to 99.9% of plaque bacteria from treated areas that can cause gingivitis, cavities, and bad breath. And yes, Waterpik is the #1 water flosser brand recommended by dentists and the first to earn the ADA seal of acceptance for safety and effectiveness. Using the Aquarius has been a breeze. The large reservoir really reduces interruptions during flossing, and the wand feels light and precise. I especially appreciate the different tips. Switching between them depending on my needs is seamless, and the storage case keeps everything hygienic and organized. The massage mode is gentle but noticeable, and my gums feel invigorated without irritation. On the downside, it does take up a bit of counter space, and for some, the water pressure, even at lower settings, might feel intense initially. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, you have highly customizable pressure, a long reservoir, hygienic tip storage, and multiple tip options suitable for different oral care needs. It's dentist approved, easy to use, and provides a thorough clean that traditional flossing can't always achieve. The downsides are its countertop footprint and the learning curve if you're new to water flossing. In terms of value for money, this flosser is on the higher end, but considering the technology, the multiple tips included, and the proven effectiveness, it's worth the investment for anyone serious about oral hygiene. Compared to other water flossers, the Aquarius offers a wider range of settings, longer reservoir capacity, and a more comprehensive tip selection, making it stand out in the market. Build quality is excellent, the reservoir is dishwasher safe, and the flosser feels solid and durable. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. While I haven't personally needed to reach out to customer service, Waterpik has a solid reputation for responsive and helpful support, which adds peace of mind to the purchase. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, some Waterpik models have smaller reservoirs and fewer tips, but still deliver solid results. That said, the Aquarius's combination of features, multiple tips, and ADA-approved performance makes it a standout choice if you can stretch to the investment. Overall, I'm impressed with the Waterpik Aquarius. It delivers on its promise of a thorough, customizable, and gentle clean. And the included tips make it versatile for different needs. If you want a reliable, dentist-recommended water flosser that truly elevates your oral care routine, this one's a winner. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. The link to grab your own Waterpik Aquarius is in the comments. If you've already tried it, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experience. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.